I'm going to show you how to create a commission rate calculator using ifs and ands. So here we have the different tiers for the values for commission. These people are trying to get their salespeople to sell more, and so they're making it more profitable if their total is more. So first of all, let's try to get something that's less than the first. And so let's go 3,500. Press tab, and there we get a commission of 105. Now let's try something that is above this but below that. So let's go 7,500, and you get a commission of 275. So it's basically the 150 plus the 2,500 that's above 150 times the 5%, and that's how you get 25% or 275. And the same thing goes for this one. So let's go 15,000, and you get 850. And the same thing now. Anything over 20,000, you just gets a straight 10%. So let's go 25,000, and you get just a straight 10% of the commission. So let me explain the if function that I have here. I have quite a long formula here. So let's look at the first half. So if it's less, so here we go for the first part. I'll just highlight it. So if C3, which is our sales figure, is less than C6, which is this, then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply C3 times E6, which is our 3%. Okay, so if that one isn't true, then what we're going to do is we're going to do the next part here. So the next one, if it's greater than C3 and it's less than C7, then what you're going to do is you're going to take D6, which is the commission, and then you're going to add it to C3 minus C6. So that's the difference between the two values, and then you're going to times it by E7, which is the 5%. So let's highlight the third level here. So if your commission is greater than C7, so if it's greater than $10,000 and it's less than $8,000, then what you're going to do is you're going to take D7, which is the $500, plus you're going to subtract C7 from C3, so that's the difference, and then you're going to multiply that by the 7%. And the last one is if C3 is greater than C8, so it's greater than $20,000 and less than C9. And this is not going to happen very often. It's going to do the same. It's going to take D8, which is the $1,400, plus C3 minus C8 times E9. And then if C3 is greater than C9, if it's greater than the 20,001, then you're just going to multiply it by the 10% in the E9 here. I will put a copy of this formula in the description of my video. I'm also going to give a link to my other commission calculator where as the amount of sales increase, the amount of commission decreases. Please subscribe.